Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mom's Curry Pot. Today we are making a super popular Indo-Chinese dish that's bold, spicy and absolutely packed with flavors. It's dragon chicken. This dish is perfect as a party starter or even as a main course with fried rice or noodles. Crispy fried chicken strips tossed in a spicy, flavorful sauce with colorful capsicums and spring onions. Trust me, it's as delicious as it sounds. So, let's jump right into the quick and easy recipe that's sure to impress. So, let's get started. To make dragon chicken, I am using half a kilogram of boneless chicken cut into strips. In a mixing bowl, combine the chicken strips with 1 tablespoon each of maida and corn flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until the chicken is well coated and let it marinate for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces one by one and fry them over medium to high heat. Let it cook for a few minutes on one side, then flip and fry the other side until golden brown and fully cooked. Remove the fried chicken pieces and set them aside. For the sauce base, use the same pan in which you fried the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped garlic and ginger and saute until the raw smell disappears. Then add half cup each of red, yellow and green capsicums cut into thin strips along with half cup of sliced onions. Saute everything on high flame for a couple of minutes, keeping the vegetables crisp and crunchy. Next, add 3 tablespoons of red chili paste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix well to combine all the flavors. Season with salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and give everything a final stir. Then add half cup of corn flour slurry to the pan and mix everything well. Then add the fried chicken pieces back into the pan and toss everything together until the chicken is evenly coated in the sauce. Finally, garnish it with chopped spring onions and your delicious dragon chicken is ready to serve. It can be enjoyed as a dry starter or if you would prefer to serve it as a gravy dish, simply add more water along with the corn flour slurry and adjust the consistency to your liking. And that's it. Our spicy, crispy and absolutely delicious dragon chicken is ready to serve. Whether you are enjoying it as a starter or pairing it with fried rice or noodles, this dish is sure to be a crowd pleaser. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Drop a comment below if you try this at home. I would love to know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.